Thank you for tuning into Iron Point Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to use AirPods. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is pair your AirPods to your device. Now all you need to do is open up the AirPods, and then a prompt will show up on your device asking you to connect your AirPods. You can see these are connected to another device, and so it's telling me it's not your AirPods, but I want to connect them to this phone. So I'm going to hit connect, and it's telling me a prompt on the back of the AirPods. You want to push and hold this button. Now it's connecting to my Apple device. You see now that my AirPods are connected to this phone. So anytime you want to use your AirPods, now that it's connected to this phone, you just simply need to open up your device, and then it will immediately sync and connect to your Apple device. And taking them out of the case and putting them in your ears, you'll hear a ping, which means that it's connected to your device. And then all you need to do is play music, play TV shows, play whatever you want. And then the touch controls on the AirPod are fairly simple. One tap will pause or play whatever you're currently listening to. 2 taps will advance to the next track. And then 3 taps will go back to the previous track you were listening to. You can also use Siri with your AirPods and ask it to lower the volume, increase the volume, or play something else. That's a simple tutorial of how to use your AirPods. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if there's any additional tips and tricks that people can use for their AirPods.